AGTEK Tech Tip: Driving Simulation. GradeWorks 3D View is a great way to verify the accuracy of the surface models before calculating volumes or exporting the model to the field. It may also be used for presentation purposes. There is an option to create a driving simulation through the job site, rather than using the arrow keys to navigate over the site. The driving simulation allows you to save the recorded path for future reference, and may be used for presentations with your team. To record a path, click the Record button. Draw a line on the overlay to create the driving simulation path. When complete, right-click and select Finished. To start the driving simulation, click the Play button. The vehicle will move along the recorded path. Depending on the size of the site, you may need to edit the speed of the vehicle. Click the Pause button to stop the playback. Select the Edit menu and select Vehicle Arrow Rate. Enter a distance that makes the playback speed acceptable, and you may need to edit this multiple times. Then press the Play button to resume the playback. The cut-fill depths will display as the vehicle drives the site. Press the B key on the keyboard to toggle between the land and sky view. And press the O key to turn off the overlay. Press the Stop button to stop the playback, and this will restart the playback at the beginning when pressing play the next time. On highway projects, the driving simulation line is created from the horizontal COGO and surfacing the alignments. The alignment rendered last will be the default driving simulation line. Press play to start the playback. Check Display Station Offset, and the highway stations will be displayed, along with the depth of cut and fill. Use the Windows Snipping tool or any other screen recording software to record the driving simulation to share with team members.